Eat, Sleep, Burn review. Nowadays, people are very much interested in reducing fat and it's trending like a fire. People are struggling to lose their weight by lifting heavy workouts and wasting the number of pounds. In the past, I was one of the obese people and tried a lot of things to burn belly fat. I had suffered from a lack of sound sleep leads to health disorders. In such a situation, I found Tara's program that helped me to reach the perfect fitness. Here, the right solution is given in the right time. Don't hurt your body by doing a strict diet and exercise. Don't think too much, and hurt your mind. Tara reveals the truth behind every obesity problems. The program Eat, Sleep, Burn is a revolutionary program created by Tara, where she used the broad power relaxing sleep to transform your body. Read this review to know more about the program. What is Eat, Sleep, Burn? Eat, Sleep, Burn is an excellent program given by Tara, who can guide us to know more about the simple methods and techniques for losing body fat rapidly. She had followed the main steps of Dan's program, in which 28 days metabolic reset, limitless potential system. Tara's near magical method is an easy method to lose weight naturally and safely, while you instantly start reversing the health problems and practically double your energy tonight. This program tells some of the effective techniques without any pain and also supports to reduce your fat burning process. And also you can experience your total body changes both inside and outside with desired shape and fitness in a few days. How does it work? In order to shape your body without any exercise or workouts, the first thing is to insist on a deep sleep. When you fall asleep for 7 to 8 hours at night, you are not probably achieving the sound sleep, and then you will not lose weight. How much you consume the food is not a matter, but if you are not getting sleep or not sleeping at night may cause an obesity problem. Here, this works when you are in a sound sleep at night, and giving respectable time for your brain may feel you are free with frustration. A deep sleep is the perfect solution for the belly fat. A leptin hormone which segregated when you are hungry while sleeping may distract your sleep. This hormone segregates when you feel hungry, even if you are eating all the right nutrients at the right time. What will you learn from it? Eat, Sleep, Burn program will guide you through step-by-step manner to know your better sleep and reduce your overweight in a few days. Tara explains the importance of having a sound sleep at night and what in all foods to take, and she directly focused on solving the sleeping issues at any time. When you start this program, you can avoid the belly fat and overweight problem by deep sleep to maximize all the functions of all your organs and avoids them permanently. This program will be suitable for both men and women who are suffering from narcolepsy, and overweight can be recovered in a few days. Mainly, it allows overcoming the disturbance during your sleeping so that you can reverse the process of damaged sleep cycle incorrect way for burning fat faster. How does Tara's trick use? Here, the hormone called cortisol which is directly deposited on your belly and increases your belly. Moreover, it may cause damage to your memory loss, depression, low immune function, increases blood pressure, etc. Tara recognizes the fact of belly fat and develops the program with an increase in low blood sugar level to maintain the metabolism. She introduced the respiratory exchange rate, RER, which causes your body to burn the lean tissue for energy saving instead of storing the fat. The RER rate has taken the input of exchanging the oxygen and carbon that happens when you breathe, and when you miss the deep sleep, it collapses. She strongly says that poor sleeping is similar to smoking to destruct your body cycle metabolism. Deep sleep will be the perfect solution when you have to lose your weight in a few days. What you will learn from this program? Here, you can find the easier way to get the results in a short period. You can wake up every morning with beautiful thoughts, and you will feel relaxed. By this program, your hormone imbalances are balanced, and all the organs will be active and work effectively. In a few days, your belly will become flat, and clothes will get looser than before. Links to product in description. Pros. To take control of the problem and guide you to burn the fat in an easy method by Eat, Sleep, Burn. The information and instruction gave, which is easy to understand and follow it in your daily life. It transforms every single aspect of your life positively. You can avoid the dropping of pounds in seeking the gym or other medications. This program will not have any side effects and concentrates only on your healthy life. Easy to learn and quick results can be done. There is a 100% 60 days money back guarantee. Cons. Mainly, you need the patience to see your result, and then your transformations will be seen by yourself in plenty of time. There is no option of getting this in offline. Conclusion. To conclude, I highly recommend Eat Sleep Burn. I'm glad about sharing my inference with you. This program will bring a change for you where you can achieve your goals without any struggle. It offers surprising results in just a short period. I'm excited and hoping to improve even more in the upcoming months. Just following this simple system, you will feel rejuvenated and have youthful vitality than ever before. Get started with the program today. You're protected with a 100% 60 days money back guarantee. Try Eat Sleep Burn today. Links to product in description. Eat Sleep Burn Review. Does it really work? That is the title of the book that has been written by Todd Lamb, and it is all about the easiest way of losing weight while maintaining a diet that is fun and healthy. That is not something that you will find just about anywhere, and that is the reason why we have this review. We will tell you all that you need to know about this method of losing fat that proposes you will eat, sleep, and in your sleep, you will burn fat. That is something that is not easy, and when you get to do it, you will find it to be easy, and that is what we all need. In this world where we are so busy that hitting the gym or jogging in the morning is so hard, you will need an easier way to do this well enough that you will live a healthy life. This PDF ebook will take you through the whole thing so that you can live well and be happy all the time. The body will be nourished and you will be able to get all that you need in a short time because it is all about eating, which is something that you do daily. This is something that you will find easy to do, and that is the reason why there are so many fans who have left their positive reviews about the way that it works. I know that it may sound like a scam seeing as you will be doing minimal workout, but trust this guy, he knows. Let's not waste time but get into the core of this interesting and albeit revolutionary technique that is designed for you. We have weight issues and we would all like to address them properly. Whenever an opportunity like this arises, we check it out. What is the Eat Sleep Burn PDF ebook all about? This is an online program that is all about how you can lose fat and gain muscle while making sure that the body has been nourished in the best way possible. That is something that you will be able to do in a simple manner like you have never seen before, and that is why we need to see it. In this review, I will tell you all that you need to know about what the details are and why this has been so raved about in the reviews. You see, it works in a simple manner that requires little. You will need a game plan, and I think that this is it. This is because when you have this, you will not have to worry anymore about the things that are involved in getting gym memberships and thing like that, and this is because you will be at the perfect position to sculpt yourself. This program has also been termed as safe and sound for both men and women, and that is not something that you will get every day. This is because you will need to make sure that you have gotten fit regardless of who you are, and he covers that for everyone. How does the Eat Sleep Burn work? There is a lot that you will need to know about the way that this one works so that when you start, you will know what to expect and what you will be taught and how that will be useful to you. That is what this review is all about, and when you start, you will see the benefits of it. You will be taught a lot in this program, and that is how you will be able to get all the things that you need. When you are trying to eat, you will have it easy because you will not have to watch what you eat all the time when you have this book. This is because it has listed everything that is important to make sure that you lose weight as you eat. This is not something that is pulled from God knows where, but something that has taken the study of food groups and the way that they work. This means Todd Lamb has something here that will make sure that when you are feeding yourself, you burn the fat. What will you learn from Eat Sleep Burn? When you know what you are going to learn, it will make the things that you will be doing so much easier, and that is what you need to be doing at this point because it will help you with the whole program. 1. You will learn about the intense impact that cardio exercises have on your body and why you need to take it down a little and do the things that you need for a healthier body. 2. When you are resting from a workout, there is something that happens to the body, and if you will like to know what, then this is the book that you will need to have. 3. There is a lot that happens when you go to see a chiropractor and masseuses, and that is what you will learn. Because there is something that can be done by them to ruin the way that you will get fit. 4. There is also the ways that you can use to make sure that you activate the fat burning process in the body. That is something that you will find to be very useful. As you can see from the list that is here, you will find all the things that you need to make sure that experience you get is perfect. There is no better program that you can use when you need to burn fat effortlessly. That is what we all want, and that is what you will get when you have this one. Where you can buy Eat Sleep Burn. Eat Sleep Burn is available on the official website. The final verdict according to the testimonies, consumer reviews and the impressive work that has been done by the author of this program, it is safe to say that it is worth trying. This is one buy that you will most likely not regret. From a neutral standpoint, the idea behind it and the way it works is new and scientifically proven. This places it at an advantage. The work that goes into it and the simplicity is also an upside, as it enables you get so much done in such a short time. This may not the magic solution you were expecting, but it is to say the least amazing in its workings, and you can rest assured that it is not a scam. The PDF ebook is easily available and the whole bonuses thing is just great. Pros: it really does work. The program has received some criticism, but a major percentage of all the people that have used it properly say that it indeed works. It is the easiest. The program has this one virtue that sets it apart from the rest of the pack. It is so easy that one would mistake it for a scam. But it works nevertheless. Full money back guarantee. If this program does not deliver, rest easy knowing that you can get all your money back without any problems whatsoever. Available in the PDF ebook format, this means that you can get it as soon as you need it, and that is just great. The reviews are great. When you take a look at the way that the reviews speak of this one, you will see why so many people like it. Cons: it needs work. Despite the glamorous prospects of losing weight by lazing around and simply watching the quantities of what you eat, you have to work for the perfect results. No hard copies are available yet. This remarkable program exists only in the digital format. Summary: this is an online program that is all about how you can lose fat and gain muscle while making sure that the body has been nourished in the best way possible. That is something that you will be able to do in a simple manner like you have never seen before, and that is why we need to see it. In this review, I will tell you all that you need to know about what the details are and why this has been so raved about in the reviews. You see, it works in a simple manner that requires little. Get instant access right now by clicking on the link below in the description.